a new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Beauty, and I am back with another video. Today's video is obviously gonna be a wig video, but before we get into that, I want to say, girl, if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, girl. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. Also, if you like these sorts of videos and want to see more, don't forget to hit that like button, or just because you like your girl, okay, just because you like me, hit that like button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. Now let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so before we get into this video, I want to give you guys a little disclaimer. I have been trying different formats, trying to figure out how to film and how I want to film, and you know, what's more cohesive, what's better for you guys. And a lot of you guys do miss the music portion, so I will still have that in here. I'm just gonna have like I'm cutting it into chapters now, and hopefully I can figure out how to do that on the computer. But I'm gonna have a application and styling portion, so you guys will still get that in the middle of the video. Right after I do the details and specs from the company, then will come the application and styling. So fret you not, baby. So anyways, that's what we're gonna be doing from here on out. And so now let's get into this wig. Alright, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Jurllyshe. Shout out you, Jurllyshe, for sending me this unit. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am wearing is their blonde highlight color 13 by 5 by 0.5 T-part lace, 150% density body wave wig. The color of this unit is TL412 or 412. The density is 150. It only comes in 150% density. And in my opinion, this unit is a true 150% density. So that is a plus. This unit is available in 14 to 24 inches. I am personally wearing 24 inches, and all of those numbers are even numbers. It is a body wave texture, as you guys can see. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Now, this unit does only come in an average cap size, okay? So, I do personally feel like this wig is extremely big head friendly. Like, extremely big head friendly. I feel like if you have a smaller head, this unit will probably not work whatsoever. In my personal opinion, it was made for the big head gals, okay? But if you have an average cap size, I think you can definitely make it work, as I have. And the lace is a brown lace. And you can always tell with me, the brown lace is, you can see it. You can see the lace. It just doesn't blend well on my complexion. So yeah, it is a brown lace wig. Now, as far as the hairline goes, I feel like it's a T-part wig, meaning you cannot part this unit anywhere else. What you see is what you get. You can shift it, but you cannot part it anywhere else. But they did give you enough space to kind of create the illusion of a frontal. By that I mean, most T-part wigs, the hairline is super dense, and you cannot do anything on the sides. They left enough hair that if you want to do baby hairs like I did, or you know, just tweeze it a little bit, they gave you enough room to do that. So shout out to them for that. As far as shedding and tangling, I have not received or experienced any other things. That's not to say at some point, oh girl won't do any other things. Just straight out of the packaging, she is not, okay? So shout out to them for that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys get into how I applied this wig and styled it, and then I will come back with my pros and cons.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Okay, so now that you have seen how I applied this unit, we can get into the pros and cons of this unit. Starting with the cons, okay? My main and only con with this wig is the brown lace, and that is simply because the brown lace just doesn't blend on me right. I feel like if you're my shade or lighter, it won't, and I feel like if you're a little bit darker than me, then it will. So that is a personal con. It's not a con with the unit in itself, just a personal con for me. Now, my pros list is a lot more extensive, honey, because I feel like as far as T-part wigs go, they did their thing. And on top of that, I feel like this wig is extremely beginner-friendly. I think this wig is extremely beginner-friendly because it's kind of like a practice frontal, in my opinion. You don't have to do as much as a frontal, but it does have the lace across here. So if you're a beginner, it's just really easy, and I love that. I love that for me, and I love it for the beginners, okay? Also, like I stated earlier, I love how they did the hairline, because with T-part wigs, that is usually not the case. The T-part wigs, I usually get it. They're thicker than my baby cousin Ashley, so I love that with this wig, as well as I love the color, and I love the density, and I love that they didn't lie about the density. So yeah, shout out to them. I think it is a really nice wig. So all that being said, yes, of course, I do recommend this wig. I think it is a really nice wig, and the color I think is good for any season as well. And I feel like it's a really easy, convenient wig. Like, I am all about the convenience, girl, okay? I am not trying to be sitting here all day trying to put on a wig, okay? So I love the convenience factor of this unit as well, and it was super wavy. You know, Body Waves has a much looser wave, but I love that it was super wavy. So shout out to them for that as well. And yeah, y'all, we can go ahead and get into this full 360 and wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. Okay, so yeah, girl, let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you are feeling this unit as much as I am. If you are interested in this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Jurllyshe, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. It's not going to cost you not 1 red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm held to Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Yeah.